If you're looking for a nice, reliable microphone that you can use with your PS5 or your computer, this one by FIFINE is a great option. It's an AmpliGame AM8. This little microphone has a lot of different features that you'll find very useful. Just to point a few, you can connect it via XLR, but it actually comes with a USB-C cable included that you can connect to your PC or any other electronic like your PS5. It also has, just to show you here, has a connection for a regular USB-A connection. So you can use it both ways. And something very nice about this one is, let me connect it really quick so I can show you. So it has the USB-C connection right here on the bottom. It has a nice RGB light on the bottom here that you can actually change by tapping on the top here. So you can go through the different modes. Very nice. The mute button is on the back. So you just tap it and it mutes the microphone itself. It has the gain value here, so you can put it up if you need more volume to your microphone or up the gain. And it has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack here, so you can check, and hear yourself when you're talking, which you can also control the volume of that via this knob here. So yeah, like I said, very nicely built, great, nice microphone that you can use for various things. If you're gaming on your PS5, gaming on your computer, it's going to provide you with loud, clear audio, and you'll really enjoy it. And this one is the AM8 AmpliGame by FIFINE.